Congratulations, you have completed the Create Performance task. Now I'm going to show you how to make a video of your program running that demonstrates the functionality of the program. Now, while we do this, there's a couple things you need to remember. You have to include certain aspects of your program in this video. And then there's some things that you can include in this video. So I'm going to review that with you. And then at the end, I'm going to use a sample program and make a video as a demonstration for you using my MacBook and the Command Shift 5 feature on my MacBook. So first, what does the program have to contain? So the program has to show an input, it has to show one aspect of the functionality of your program, and then it has to show the output of your program. Now, you're going to want to demonstrate the list and the procedure that you're going to put on that personalized project reference sheet and that you're going to talk about in the written response. You're going to have to demonstrate those in this video as well. Now, there's a couple of things you can't include in the video. You can't use your name, your school, your address, or anything else that would distinguish you in this video. Now, the other thing you cannot do is you cannot do a voice narration. Now, you can use text captions at the bottom of the screen, but no voice narration. Now, the video technically has to be one of the following formats that you see here. It cannot be more than 1 minute long, and it cannot be more than 30 megabytes. Now, when you try to upload it into the digital portfolio, if it is longer than 1 minute, if it is bigger than 30 megabytes, it will not let you upload it. So those are the requirements for the video. Now, what I would like to do is I want to show you a sample project, explain it to you quickly, and then take a video of it running. Now, this program that I'm going to be using as a demonstration, it is a contact list simulator. When you hit the green flag, it's going to generate a list of names, of cities, different things like that. All right. And then it's going to sort through it as you input information to it, and it'll spit out some output. So the first thing I want to show you is, and let me make it a little bigger, the contact list simulator. Okay. I can sort by first name, okay? I can also sort by towns. So what I wanted to show you here is when I click on my C Sprite, which is sort by town, you can see here that this is going to be the procedure that I submit, all right, for my Create Performance task in the digital portfolio. This procedure contains sequence, selection, and iteration. It's got that if then else statement. It's got a repeat block. And you can see right over here next to it is where I will be calling it in the program. So using this will be one of the things I'm going to want to demonstrate in my video. I'm going to definitely want to demonstrate this. Click on the C to see who lives in that town. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to demonstrate in the video is the list that I'm using. All right, the list I'm using here is going to be first names, okay? That would be this right over here. Now, as I come over here and click on the S, you can see here, this is where I'm going to be using that list in my program, okay? In order to sort by first name, I'm going to use this algorithm. So these are the two features that I want to show in my video, this list and this procedure, because these are the ones that I'm going to be submitting for my personalized project reference sheet, and I'm going to be discussing in my written response on test day. All right, now let me show you how to make the video that you're going to submit to the digital portfolio using the Command Shift 5 feature on your MacBook. Now, when you hit Command Shift 5, a little menu bar is going to pop up. That menu bar is going to ask you, do you want to record the entire screen or just a portion of it? I'm just going to record the entire screen. And since I'm going to be talking about the list called first names, I also want to make sure that that list appears over here. The first thing I'm going to demonstrate in my video is the letter C, okay? And then I'm going to do the S. C is the procedure, S was the list. So I'm going to click on C, and it says enter a town and see who else lives there, right? I'm going to type in Hutto for Hutto, Texas. There is nobody in your list that lives in Hutto, Texas. All right. The next thing I want to do is demonstrate the list, and I'm going to click on S to sort by first name. And when I do that, you can see that my list first names has been sorted in alphabetical order. So this is what I would include in my video, and I'd make sure to get it all in there in less than a minute and under 30 megabytes. And that is how you make the video that you're going to submit to the digital portfolio of your Create Performance program running. Now, one other thing that you need to remember, and that is that this video has to be done all by yourself. You are not allowed to collaborate with anybody on this video, not your partner or anybody else in the class or a teacher. The video has to be done all by yourself. Thanks and good luck.